Good evening, friends. Our today's video topic is SQL in SQL queries and like commands. SQL, we know about the SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and it is commands are also known as instructions, and it is used to communicate with the database. It is also used to perform the specific tasks, functions, and queries of data. SQL can perform various tasks like creates a table, add data to tables, and drop the tables, update the tables, modify the tables, set the permission for users. The types of SQL commands. There are DDL, DML, DCL, DCL, and DQL. These are the commands in SQL. Then we have to know about the what is DDL. DDL is a data definition language. What is the DCL? DML, data manipulation language, and another one is DCL, data control language. Then another one is TCL, transaction control language, and last one is also known as DQL, data query language. This you have to know about the what is in the DDL. In the DDL there are main four commands like create, drop, alter, and truncate. These are commands into the DDL. DDL can means changes the structure of the tables like creating a table, deleting the table, altering the tables, and deleting the tables like this. Or all the functions can be by DDL. All the commands of DDL are auto committed for the that means it is permanently save all the changes in the database. Then how can we create the new tables? By using the create table table and employee, and in bracket name varchar 10 and email varchar 200 and comma dob date. This will create the table first column, and we can inserting as per our requirements. Then what is the drop commands? Drop commands can delete both the structures and records stored in the table. Then how can be implemented? Means only it is singly drop table employee. This will automatically delete it. Then what is the alter? Alter is used to alter the structure of the database. This change could be either to modify of characteristic of an existing the attributes, or probably to add new attributes. Then how can we modify or existing it? Then alter table and table name, and modify the name varchar 20. This will can be modify. And we can see about the truncate. What is truncate? Truncate is also known as it is used to delete all the rows from the tables and free the space connecting the tables. Then how can we implement truncate table and employee? This is only single syntax of the truncate. Then what is DML? Data manipulation language. DML commands are used to modify the database, and it is responsible for all the form of changes in the database. The command of DML is not auto committed. That means it cannot be permanently save all the changes in the database. They can be rolled back. Then there are some commands: insert, update, and delete. Inserts statements is a SQL query. It is used to insert data into the row of table. How can we create? How can we implement? Simply insert into a class, and we can take the author for example book. We can take book author book, author book and subject, book and subject, and values can be book can be for example history, and their topic is history of Maharashtra. This will be created into the table. And how should we update? Update is used to update or modify the value of the columns in the tables. Then update students set username is equal to Raj, and where student ID is 3. This will be update the table. And how can we will delete the one or more rows into the from the tables? It is singly delete from the students where class is equal to Raj. This will be deleted from the table. And the DCL also grant and revoke. Grant is used to user access privilege to a database. Then revoke, it is used to take back permissions to the users. A transaction control language. Commit, rollback and save point. Commit command, it is used to save all the transaction to the database. Then rollback command is used to undo transactions that have not already been saved for the database. Then save point, it is used to roll the transaction back to a certain point without the rolling back the entire transaction. Then data query language. Data query language is used to fetch the data from the database. It is used only one commands like select. This is the same as the projection operations like the mathematicals. It is used to select the attributes based on the conditions. Thank you. Our today's topic is complete.